Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm filming my night routine. I am just leaving the office and it is freezing. It is 10 degrees outside, so I'm giving my car a minute to warm up. I'm gonna head home, change, start dinner. I'm probably going to be making spaghetti and meatballs, and I also have some garlic bread and maybe a side salad for dinner tonight. So once I get home, I will get back on here and I'll show you how I make dinner tonight. Other thing I did today, while I was at work, I spilled coffee all over my sweatshirt and I tried to cover it up today with my suit jacket. But yeah, that was today. It was one of those days. This video is in collaboration with Deborah M. Taylor. I'm going to link her channel down below in the description box. Please head over to her channel and watch her video. She's also filming a night routine. I think you will love her videos. I enjoy watching them. She works and comes home and keeps her house clean and organized. She's got 2 little puppies that are absolutely adorable. But I follow her channel. I love watching her videos. So after you watch this video, head over there and say hello. Tell her that you found her through my channel and, you know, check it out. I think that you'll like it. All right, guys, I'm going to get going because I'm really cold. And like I said, I will hop back on here while I'm making dinner. Okay, now that I'm all changed, I'm going to start making dinner, and I'm just using these Italian-style beef meatballs that I picked up over the weekend from Costco. I have Prego tomato sauce and some spaghetti noodles. I also have some garlic bread and a Mediterranean salad, and that is going to be all for dinner tonight.
Who I really am, just be cute and super bland. I try to hold it together, keep it together, then playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high?
I like to add garlic powder, onion powder, and this mix of seasoning to the meatballs as they're cooking. And after that, I pour the tomato sauce on top and just let it simmer away. I also add some extra virgin olive oil in there and let it all simmer away while the pasta is cooking. You know, now that I'm watching myself like this from the back, I'm thinking that I might want to cut my hair. It needs I feel like it needs like 3 inches up. What do you guys think? Should I cut my hair and just cut off all of those ends and make it like one blunt length instead of having that long layer at the bottom? What do you think? Let me know in the comments below.
Need a shot and then a beat, somewhere to let out some steam. I'm not the one to say never, never say never. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on.
And this mess is the aftermath of spaghetti dinner. My dishwasher was full. It did not run today, so I had to start it after I got home. I cannot put the dirty dishes in there, so now I am just going to hand wash everything and put them all away and finish cleaning up the kitchen.
Come, come, come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come, come, come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
Come, come, come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come, come, come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy.
So I'm just going to be putting away these cans into the recycling and then putting away these dishes, and after that I'm going to vacuum using my Dyson cordless vacuum. It's my favorite household appliance that I own, and just get the floors all vacuumed up. I'm also going to be vacuuming up in the living room, making sure that I get all of the dust and the grime from the day off of the carpet. So now I'm going to just put in a load of laundry. Let's see, I'm gonna use this Tide. And some fabric freshener, softener. I use the Suavitel. I like the way it smells. Wash, fabric softener, go. And these are my empties. This is for donation. All right. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video. This is what I typically do after dinner or after I come home from work. I cook dinner and then I tidy up really quickly whatever I see in front of me. I always like to run the vacuum also to keep everything, you know, whatever dust and dirt, especially snow and salt now, off the carpets. So I try to vacuum that every single night now. And that's pretty much it. The kids are gonna go to bed in about an hour. I'm gonna put them down, and then I'm probably going to sit on the couch. My husband and I have been watching The Punisher on Netflix. I don't know if you guys have watched it, but I watched season 1 last year and season 2 came out, and they put them out all at the same time. So it's like season 2, episode 1 through 13. And I think we're on episode 8 or 9 right now. So we're getting close to the end, and I love that show. It's one of my favorites. It's like a guilty pleasure, but I love it. So we're gonna get the kids to bed and then watch an episode or 2 of that, and that's pretty much it. That's how quick my weeknight routines are. Possibly if they have school tomorrow, I'm gonna just sort out through their school bags and their lunch boxes and get those all opened up and ready to go for tomorrow. I feel like they won't have school tomorrow because I think it's going to be too cold and they're going to call it as a cold day or a snow day. So I'm not too worried about that really. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I hope that you go over it and check out Deborah's channel. Again, the link is down in the description box. And I really appreciate you watching. And if you like videos like these, please click the like button. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I would love it if you stuck around and subscribed and became a part of my YouTube channel. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great night. Bye.